There is a crazy going on right now. And one thing you will notice whenever you look at Dextrainer, everything is yellow because everybody is transitioning and moving over to BNB. Currently, right now, we've had a couple weeks where things just keep going up, up, and up. We've gotten some tickers that have hit 100 mil in less than pretty much a week, guys. Things are going pretty crazy over there. And everybody wants to know, how do you bridge? Today, I'm going to show you guys how to bridge. Number one. Number two, what wallet you should use. Number three, I'm going to teach you guys how to spot the early coins. Number four, I'm going to tell you guys where to actually get the alpha to be able to know what coins to buy. Okay, that's the most important thing because there's so many coins, you probably just don't know which one to buy. I'm going to show you guys where to actually do that. Quick hint, Discord link down below. Boltz Alpha is where you're going to get the alpha to 5x, 10x, maybe 100x some of these coins. So let's jump right into it. So as you guys know, right now, everybody should be familiar with Pump Fund. This is where we get our bread and butter. This is where we spot the early coins. We get the jump on things that are happening, and we use Bullix to actually do that. Okay, Bullix link down below if you're still trading on Pump Fund. But currently now, Bullix does not have the option to buy BNB memecoins. So we're going to have to be using different tools. And the tool we're going to be using that is the following. Okay, we're going to go ahead and be using a thing called 4Meme. It's basically a copy of Pump Fund, but just for BNB coins. All right. And as you guys see here, nothing really changes, guys. We still got PvP. You got some coins that look pretty good. But knowing what coins to actually pick up, that is where things become a little bit tricky. So let's go step by step on everything you need to do to actually get this done. The first thing you're going to need to do, guys, is you're going to need a wallet. You can't use Photon or Phantom at the current moment, sorry. But you could use another wallet, which is called MetaMask. This is going to allow you to store your BNB in that wallet and move that wallet into either a different platform, which we'll talk a little bit right now, or trade within this platform just using this website. I don't recommend that because it's slow. So I'm going to give you guys the fastest way to actually do this. Okay. So as you guys already know, there are two kind of methods that you could actually buy BNB. You could buy it from Binance. If you have a Binance account, you'll be able to get it from there. And then there's another exchange that has it. But the best way to do it is, I'm pretty sure the majority of you guys watching this videos already own Solana. Or if you don't have a Binance account or you have a Coinbase account but can't buy BNB, then your only option is to bridge. And basically what bridge means is converting your your Solana, your Ethereum, any crypto that you may have, and moving that crypto from that particular currency into the BNB currency into your MetaMask wallet. So step number one, you're going to have to create a MetaMask wallet. Step number two, you're going to want to make sure you get your Solana wallet or whatever wallet you have that has Ethereum, whatever crypto you have, and you're going to come to a website called Change Now. Of course, all these links are going to be down below so you guys can know it. And what you're going to do here is you're going to go and say you're sending, so for this example, we're going to be sending Solana. Okay, so we'll put Sol here, and we'll send Solana, and we're going to go and change that to BNB. All right, so we'll just go here, BNB. All right, right there, BNB Binance coin right there. And that's basically the setup you're going to do. So just to get a rough idea, if you send 20 Solana, that's going to give you 3.5 BNB. In retrospect, if you send 1 Solana, that's going to give you 0.17. So you're going to need to learn to understand what the equivalent of, of one BNB percentile is to like $10, $20. Because I'm going to give you a quick tip. If this is the first time you're doing this, I'm going to recommend, if you have a 1 Solana to bring over 1 Solana. If you don't have 1 Solana, start out with $50 and just trade with $5 just to get used to it as you learn how to identify the meta and how to know how things are going. Of course, if you don't want to break your head on identifying the meta, just want the meta fed to you and want to know what actually to ape, what to get into, once again, the Discord link to Boltz Alpha is going to be there. We're going to be helping you guys trade BNB meme coins, okay? Now that you have that, all you got to do is click exchange. It's going to ask you to connect your wallet, and it's going to ask you as well, which wallet are you going to be depositing certain things to. So as you see here, it's going to say 1 Sol right here. And then it says if there's any fees, and then it'll also put the BNB payout address. So basically this is the address that the transfer is going to go to. And then you hit confirm, and then pretty much the transaction gets processed. Okay. If you don't like Change Now, there are other options as well, which you could probably use to do this, which is like Houdini swap. You could use that as well. I'll leave a link down below for that as well. So that's how you do it. So now that you have your Solana into your BNB conversion, then you could just go to your MetaMask wallet, and then it will be deposited in your MetaMask wallet. Now, how are we going to be able to identify the current alpha, well, you're going to need to use a website called GMGN. Link is down below. I put that link down below so you guys can go ahead and get some really good discounts if you used my referral link, and then you guys should be good to go. Now, I already have filters for this. If you want to see the filter video on how to filter the right coins and how to set the filter up specifically for BNB because it works completely different on Pump, let me know and we'll put that video out for you guys. All right, so now that you're here, guys, there's two things you need to do. Two options you could do. If you want to just add your MetaMask wallet in here, you can easily go to your portfolio. You could click import and import that MetaMask wallet, and it will add the wallet here with your BNB that you already have. If you already created a wallet on GMGM, then all you would need to do is transfer your BNB from your MetaMask wallet into the current wallet that you have for this particular trading system, and that will allow you to start trading within the system once your wallet is imported. Then all you got to go is basically go either to trending or trenching, and then look for which coin you want to buy, and you guys should be good to go. If you don't want to break your head on trying to find which coin to buy, link to our Boltz Alpha link is down below. Make sure you lock in, and I hope this video helped you out to learn how to not only bridge, how to find the alpha, and what exactly feels like trading meme coins on BNB. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys either on Tuesday or Thursday because we stream with Alpha. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.